is up, my bountiful beauties? We're getting back into another makeup tutorial today. I'm bringing you guys this New Year's Eve glam inspired makeup tutorial today. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Hit that like and subscribe if you guys do want to join the beauty tribe so you guys don't miss an upload, okay? I am first going into my Zodiac Love Signs palette and we're blending that very light brown shade into our crease. So we're just getting, our blend on, girl, so we can get, this cut crease popping, okay? Next, I'm going into the two shades. I believe it's by Taurus and Gemini, and I'm going into those two shades, and they're more of like a darker brown color, and I'm blending those into my crease as well. So I'm basically just darkening up my crease so we can get a nice, well in-depth cut crease. And then just below the shade Sagittarius, I'm going in with that a very dark brown color, and I'm blending that into my crease as well so we get a nice, beautiful, deep brown tone in our crease. And then basically to transition it off by the shade Under Virgo, I'm taking that above where we did our crease, and I'm taking that above and I'm giving it a little bit of a transition from that dark brown to that lighter brown. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camouflage Concealer. This is in the lightest shade because I love to use this to cut my crease or carve out the bottom of my eyebrows so we can get that beautiful, nice cut crease. So I'm just going in with that brush. And I am also taking that it's kind of like a gray shade in the Zodiac Love Signs palette. And I'm taking that on the outer edge where we cut the crease, and I'm putting that on the edge. And then we're also taking that shade by Scorpio, and we're popping on that beautiful white eyeshadow, and we're popping that on so we can get a nice, beautiful cut crease that you'll see from a mile away, girl, okay? And you guys, can you believe we're only going into one palette? Like, I definitely love that I was able to complete this look with only one palette. Like, I thought it was really amazing. And we're going into the ColourPop, I believe this is called Graceland White Liner. I am using a liner brush that I did purchase from Michael's Craft Store, so I'm just using that because I think it was way more precise than the liner that they did give me, because I didn't like the applicator and it didn't come out with a lot of product, so I just squashed it on my hand and would take out a little product and put it on that brush. And then also I'm going in with my Target glitter that I did purchase, and I mixed a few of them, a little gold, a little silver, and I got kind of what I would think was a New Year's Eve theme. So I'm taking that NYX glitter primer and I'm popping that on first, and then I'm popping on my glitter on top of that. And you guys, I'm just blending the glitter on the outer edges, not really on the inner of my eye. And these are, I believe, the lashes are from Eyler London. I did really like them. I think they're number 126, I believe. If not, I will link it in the description below. But I did like these lashes. They look very natural, very beautiful, very elegant. Gives it that glam pop, okay? And then you guys know your girl has to go in with her Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I love this ever since I got it. It gives you so much full coverage. I fell in love with it. I would highly recommend it to you guys. And then I'm just carving out my brows as well because I forgot to carve the top. Because usually in the process I'll do my bottom and then I'll do my top. And you guys don't mind me, I'm literally just singing in the background. You guys know your girl loves to sing, listen to music. So if you guys could hear my background music and you guys didn't hear the music I put in these videos, you guys will hear me bumping some, bumping my little jams over there. And then I'm taking my favorite concealer, the Master Conceal by Face Studio by Maybelline. And I'm taking a light to medium shade and I'm blending that into the parts where we put our concealer. And I'm just getting all concealed up, beauties, okay? And you guys see that full coverage over there. Now you guys, I am baking my concealer as well. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Luxury Powder, and I'm just popping that on under my eye on all the places where I did put concealer so we get a nice flawless finish to this makeup look. And then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe, and we're just carving out, our little our cheekbones. We getting slayed up over here looking like a sculpture, okay? So I'm just using it all on all of our main parts. We're just getting all sculpted up so we can, get up to get ready for this highlight, ladies, okay? And then I also do contour my nose as well. If you guys do want me to do a nose contour video, comment down below if you guys want to see how I do contour my nose. And now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is the highlighter Reloaded, and it's in Dare to Divulge. It is a very beautiful highlighter. Like I told you guys can build it up. It's up to you, or you can make it look natural or very glamorous. And I always usually top it off with my Wet n Wild I'm So Lit. And I love this highlight, guys. It's beautiful. It makes me glow to the gods, ladies, okay? Like, I just love this highlighter. It is very amazing. Like, I would highly recommend. Look at that glow, ladies. Look at that. And now I'm just using the same shades I used in my crease, and I'm just putting that on my bottom eye, and I'm just blending all of those colors out and getting it all, you know, set up with this makeup look, beauties, okay? And I'm going with my Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, popping on a little bit of that highlight onto my lips. And we're going into this Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. I haven't used it yet in my videos. I've had it for a minute, but I did want to incorporate it for you guys. And this is the completed look, beauties. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned into my videos, and I love you, beauties, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.